Vizio Smart TV Restart Loop Problem, Boot Loop Fix Step-by-Step Guide, brought to you by Tech Vibes. Is your Vizio TV stuck in an endless restart loop? I know exactly how frustrating it is when your favorite show is just one boot up away, but your TV simply won't stay on. It can feel like your TV is broken for good. But here's the good news. You can fix this issue yourself right at home without spending any money. Follow this video closely, and we will get your TV back to normal together right now. If you face any difficulty during these steps, please leave a comment below. I promise to reply to your message within 1 hour. Also, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. Your support helps us create more helpful content. Let's dive into the solutions. Step 1 is a soft reset, also known as a power cycle. This is the most effective fix, and it solves 90% of restart loop problems. It is very simple to do. First, you must unplug your TV from the wall power outlet. Do not just turn it off with your remote control. You need to remove the power source completely from the back of the TV. While the TV is still unplugged, find the physical power button on the TV frame. Press and hold it down firmly for 30 seconds. This step is vital because it drains any remaining electricity from the internal hardware. Now, wait for a full 60 seconds to let the system clear. After that, plug the power cord back into the wall outlet. Turn the TV on. If it stays on and works, you have solved the problem. If it is still looping, let's go to step 2. Step 2 involves checking your external devices. Sometimes a connected game console, a Roku, or an Apple TV can send a bad signal that triggers a boot loop. Go ahead and unplug every single HDMI cable from your TV ports. Now, turn the TV on without any devices connected. If it works fine, plug your devices back in one at a time to find the one causing the crash. Step 3 is checking your remote control. A stuck or malfunctioning power button on the remote will keep sending a restart signal to your TV without you knowing it. Take the batteries out of your remote. Then, press every single button on the remote multiple times to make sure none are sticking. Put the batteries back in and check if the restart loop has finally stopped. Step 4 is a hard factory reset. You can perform this even if you cannot access the menu. We will use a special button combination on the side of the TV frame. Your Vizio TV should be back to normal and ready for your favorite shows. You did a great job fixing this yourself. Thank you for watching Tech Vibes. I will see you in the next helpful video.